Manufacturing excellence. 1. Manufacturing excellence refers to the pursuit of achieving the highest standards of operational performance, productivity, and product quality within a manufacturing organization. 2. It involves the implementation of best practices, continuous improvement initiatives, and the use of advanced technologies to optimize manufacturing processes and deliver superior products to customers. 3. Manufacturing excellence focuses on key areas such as operational efficiency, supply chain management, product innovation, and customer satisfaction. 4. It involves the adoption of lean manufacturing principles, such as waste reduction, value stream mapping, and standardized work, to streamline operations and eliminate non-value added activities. 5. Manufacturing excellence emphasizes the use of data-driven decision-making, performance metrics, and real-time monitoring to identify bottlenecks, improve process efficiency, and enhance overall performance. 6. It promotes a culture of continuous improvement and employee engagement, where every individual is empowered to contribute ideas, solve problems, and drive positive change. 7. Manufacturing excellence requires a strong focus on quality management, including the implementation of robust quality control systems, adherence to regulatory standards, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. 8. It involves the use of advanced manufacturing technologies such as automation, robotics, and Internet of Things (IoT) to enhance productivity, flexibility, and competitiveness. 9. Manufacturing excellence recognizes the importance of effective supply chain management, including supplier collaboration, inventory optimization, and demand forecasting, to ensure timely delivery of products and components. 10. It entails the development of a skilled and well-trained workforce through training programs, knowledge sharing, and cross-functional teamwork to enhance overall operational capabilities. 11. Manufacturing excellence emphasizes the adoption of sustainable practices, including energy efficiency, waste reduction, and environmental responsibility, to minimize the impact on the environment. 12. It involves the implementation of efficient production planning and scheduling techniques, such as just-in-time, JIT, and Kanban, to minimize inventory levels, reduce lead times, and improve overall agility. 13. Manufacturing excellence leverages advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to optimize production processes, predict maintenance needs, and enable predictive and prescriptive decision-making. 14. It fosters collaboration and partnerships with suppliers, customers, and industry peers to share best practices, benchmark performance, and drive industry-wide improvements. 15. Manufacturing excellence requires a strong focus on operational reliability, including preventive maintenance, equipment reliability, and downtime reduction, to ensure uninterrupted production and minimize disruptions. 16. It emphasizes a holistic approach to quality management, encompassing not only product quality but also process quality, supply quality, and a commitment to continuous improvement. 17. Manufacturing excellence embraces a culture of innovation, encouraging experimentation, creativity, and the adoption of emerging technologies to drive competitive advantage and differentiate from competitors. 18. It involves the implementation of effective risk management strategies to identify and mitigate potential risks, including supply chain disruptions, market fluctuations, and regulatory changes.